Hi, my name is Robert Soden, and my project is about ethics, fairness, and bias in the use of machine learning technologies for disaster risk management. I'm a postdoctoral research scientist at Columbia University. I use design and ethnographic research methods to evaluate and improve the information systems that we use to understand environmental issues and in particular disasters. In addition to my academic research, I also regularly consult to public organizations like the World Bank and the U.S. National Hurricane Center on the design of the information systems that they use to improve public safety and community resilience to disaster. An emerging set of tools in this space is artificial intelligence and machine learning. Researchers and practitioners are currently working really hard to understand how these technologies, in particular when coupled with computer vision, might be able to do things like rapidly evaluate large amounts of satellite or radar imagery to understand the extent of an area affected by flooding, or process street level photography of building stock and other infrastructure to predict damage caused by hurricanes or an earthquake of a given magnitude. And so while some of these approaches show real promise, they also raise concerns around ethics, fairness, and bias. In other domains outside of disaster risk management, there's been a number of really significant problems identified around the use of machine learning for applications as diverse as facial recognition, search algorithms, or criminal justice. And there's very valid concerns about how these tools can perpetuate past social inequalities, compromise privacy, or have other unintended or negative consequences. And we haven't yet explored these questions in the field of disaster risk management. And I think that we as a community working in this field need to take these issues very seriously. So my project will gather some of the leading experts working on disaster data, machine learning, and AI ethics for a 7-month process to evaluate the potential risks of these tools in our field. During this time, we will learn from the experience of other domains where ethics and bias issues have already emerged in the use of machine learning. We'll conduct kind of deep dives and evaluations of case studies where machine learning tools are being used in disaster risk management for potential ethics and bias issues. And then finally, we'll work together to develop a series of guidelines and recommendations that have been vetted by this community of experts working on these topics for how we can deploy these new technologies responsibly. So I've already recruited folks from Columbia University, Del Taurus, and the World Bank, and I'm continuing my outreach efforts to kind of build our working group. And participation in the Ethical Geo Fellowship would provide a great opportunity to learn from other experts working on related issues and would help achieve our goal of ensuring that machine learning is used in a responsible and ethical way in disaster risk management. Thank you.